All right, good morning. This week we're going to do a short tech tip on how students could use the screen capture button within their Chromebooks to not only be able to do screenshots but also screencasting as well. Yes, I said screencasting, so students could actually screencast now using their Chromebook without using any additional apps, and they could screencast with audio, their screen, as well as showing their face. So let's take a look. Alright, to start you off, what you would do is just locate on the bottom right corner of the Chromebook and you will see the menu that will pop open, and here will be screen capture. When you're in screen capture, there'll be a menu that pops open. Here it tells you what your screen capturing options are. Here you can determine your size of the screen that you want to record on, so it could be toggled in different ways. And then last but not least, there's the settings option, which tells you where you want to save to, as well as what microphone and camera you are using. Last but not least, you could also have your face show or not. So I have it on this example, which is great. And when I'm done, I'm just going to press that red button on the bottom.